The current educational model that Capella ISD had been dealing with was one that really focused on the teacher as the keeper of all knowledge. And what they were finding is, even though they had really smart kids and lots of high expectations in the school district, they felt that they weren't giving the students all the opportunities that they had available to them. The new educational model that Capella ISD has taken on is one of challenge-based learning. Challenge-based learning is really about the teacher and the students coming together, identifying what the challenge is, and then the students and the teacher working together to identify how they're going to get there. The unique expertise that Stantec is bringing to Capella Independent School District is, one, our focus on education, but also our passion for understanding instruction and how students learn, which means before we start designing, it becomes important for us to know how they're going to deliver instruction, breaking down the walls of the traditional classroom, providing space for students to go outside the classroom so they're not confined to a desk and a chair. But it also means that the walls need to be more open so that you can see what's happening from one place to the other, so for teachers to be able to see what their students are doing, but also to see when they need to provide that support for them. So breakout rooms are being provided for smaller groups, the flexibility of the walls that can open and close, furniture that's flexible, all these things are needed throughout their entire district to support that learning model that they're trying to incorporate. Capella ISD is taking this model of challenge-based learning and moving it forward in other parts of the district. It's one that they're now replicating in the middle school that's being designed right now that we're working on, where the students from the elementary school will go. So it's been hugely successful. It's one that they're wanting to emulate across the district, and it's one that's the principal at the middle school is excited to be able to continue, and to continue a model that the students are really comfortable with. Students and community both are going to benefit from the design that we've created at Lee Elementary School. The building is much more progressive, much more open, and much more intriguing. This is going to provide opportunities to learn in ways that they haven't. It's going to be more relevant to the students, so ultimately you're going to end up with a more educated community. I'm Terry Hoyle, Principal in Charge out of the Plano office of Stantec, and Richard J. Lee Elementary School is my passion. It's what I come to work for.